Have you ever wondered how ordinary individuals in their 20s achieve CEO-level incomes without years of grueling work? What if I told you there's a golden opportunity requiring minimal startup capital that could have you earning substantial paychecks within weeks, even if you've never made money online before? In this digital renaissance, we're about to unfold a proven blueprint, changing the game for beginners worldwide. Intrigued? Stick around for the upcoming steps, and let's dive into a groundbreaking opportunity. Step 1. Steering clear of common pitfalls. Many beginners struggle to hit the $10,000 monthly mark not due to what they omit, but rather because of what they undertake. Initiating a business that demands upfront investments, be it in marketing, stocks, or product testing, is a major misstep for novices. The risk lies in depleting your funds while grappling with the complexities of running profitable ads or ending up with unsold stock. Even if you stumble upon a successful product, complications may arise, such as payment processors freezing your funds for lengthy investigations. This could leave you in a financial bind, having to cover fulfillment costs without access to customer payments. Avoiding such financial quagmires is crucial for beginners, and I'll delve into specific business models to sidestep shortly. Beginners often commit to embarking on endeavors that require years to master. Take coding, for instance. Trying to develop an app or software demands a substantial time investment to reach a level where lucrative opportunities arise. Similarly, aspiring content creators may witness successful YouTubers and think it's an immediate path to income. However, the reality is that building a substantial audience takes time, even years. Generating a full-time income from content creation is a gradual process, and there are more efficient routes to reach that $10,000 monthly goal. Step 2. Engage in online opportunities. Your focus as a newcomer should be on an endeavor that allows room for mistakes without financial risks. In this digital renaissance, an unprecedented opportunity arises for individuals in their 20s to earn CEO-level income without prior experience. I'm here to guide you through one of the most significant opportunities of the past 2 decades, requiring minimal startup capital and capable of generating substantial paychecks in a few weeks. If you're a beginner in 2024 seeking the best online opportunity without years of grueling work for a decent income, you're in the right place. I'll unfold a proven blueprint used by 20-year-olds worldwide to achieve CEO-level earnings. There is no need to risk your money. Minimal investment is required. While I can't guarantee identical outcomes, I guarantee real results from ordinary individuals leveraging a legal loophole. Step 3. Identifying beginner-friendly opportunities. Beginners often make the mistake of diving into popular ventures like dropshipping, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing without evaluating each opportunity's complexity. Matching your skill level with the chosen business model is crucial for success. Assessing common online opportunities, such as dropshipping and affiliate marketing, reveals challenges like high competition, intense upfront work, and limited recurring income. Now consider Airbnb arbitrage and info products, which involves significant upfront work and investment. However, there's a little-known legal loophole, drop servicing. This approach connects businesses with service providers, allowing you to earn commissions as the connector. Drop servicing is akin to the agent model, leveraging the demand for online services. With virtually zero upfront investment, attractive profit margins, 70-80%, and recurring monthly fees, $1,500 to $10,000. Drop servicing is beginner-friendly. Drop servicing capitalizes on the shift towards online business, connecting businesses with solution providers. The potential for success is significant, making it an ideal beginner-friendly business. Now, let's take a quick break from our blueprint exploration to connect. If you're resonating with the insights shared and envision yourself on the path to $10,000 a month online, then show your support by smashing the like button, subscribing to Pivot Online, and ringing the notification bell. By doing this, you not only stay in the loop with our latest transformative content, but also become an integral part of our community. Don't forget to explore other empowering videos on the channel, a treasure trove of resources tailored to your journey. Together, let's pivot towards success. And now, let's get back to the video. Step 4. Drop servicing. Let me unveil the step-by-step money-making strategy with the 3-step plug-and-play system for cashing in on this legal loophole. I call it the 3 steps to 10K a month with drop servicing in 90 days. This system has a stellar track record boasting the most success stories in the industry. Executing it correctly could land you 3 to 4 clients monthly, each paying $2,000. That's a sweet $6,000 to $8,000 in recurring monthly revenue, totaling $72,000 to $96,000 annually. Forget the hassle of qualifications and decades of work. Drop servicing offers a norm of $100,000 a year. Niche and service selection. Alright, let's dig into the good stuff. Start by hunting for niches where businesses rake in at least $10,000 a month. Forget about the usual suspects like e-commerce, we're talking off the beaten path niches. Think dental chairs, not just dentists. Choose online marketing services, the cool kids demand list. Outreach. Now this is where the rubber meets the road, it's time to hit the pavement. Cold calling, cold email, LinkedIn, or maybe some dazzling video audits. Pick your poison. Your message needs to be tailored to each potential client's needs. There is no one-size-fits-all nonsense. Here's the kicker. Dedicate a solid 80% of your hustle time to this step. Persistence is key, my friend. Clients and contractors. Now comes the magic. Connecting the dots. Price your services smartly, keeping those profit margins north of 60%. Scout for skilled contractors in countries where labor costs won't break the bank. Negotiate sweet deals, making sure everyone's on the same page. You're the maestro orchestrating this symphony. Clients pay you up front, and you reward your rockstar contractors after they've dazzled with their services. Boom! You're the matchmaker of the century, linking clients with killer online marketing services. Welcome to the world of drop servicing, where you're the puppet master pulling the strings and raking in the rewards. Mapping. Let's focus on the critical fifth step in our blueprint. The map. In unfamiliar territory, a map is indispensable, guiding you on the right path. For drop servicing success, the map is Agency Navigator, a program that propels your agency from $0 to $10,000 a month. With over 40 hours of training, it covers every aspect, offering a plug-and-play system in 3 cycles. The setup phase includes choosing services, adopting the right mindset, and establishing essential structures. The outreach phase focuses on finding leads, setting meetings, and mastering sales. The drop service phase unveils the legal loophole for zero-risk service delivery. Templates for crucial tasks like website design and contracts make it a genuine plug-and-play system. Ongoing support is addressed through weekly live coaching calls with industry experts, breaking the cycle of frustration. With a map and continuous guidance, your success in the online space is significantly enhanced. Evaluating your business. In the culminating step of our blueprint, we emphasize the pivotal role of swift and decisive action, particularly during the initial 6 weeks. This time frame is akin to the crucial first weeks of a gym membership, where consistent attendance establishes habits for long-term success. In the realm of drop servicing, these initial weeks hold tremendous significance, shaping the trajectory of your journey. The decisions and actions taken during this period can set the tone for your success. To achieve the coveted milestone of $10,000 a month online, a holistic approach is necessary. It begins with steering clear of common pitfalls, understanding the landscape of opportunities, thoroughly evaluating available options, and selecting a beginner-friendly opportunity that aligns with your skills and aspirations. The implementation of a proven system, akin to a well-defined workout routine, is crucial. This system serves as a blueprint for success, providing a structured path to follow. The necessity of a guiding map cannot be overstated, a comprehensive strategy that illuminates the way forward, preventing you from getting lost in the intricacies of the online business landscape. Moreover, engagement with a supportive community becomes a cornerstone for success. Much like having a dedicated workout buddy, a thriving community offers networking opportunities, knowledge sharing, and a platform to celebrate collective wins. Access to a personal coach adds an extra layer of support, ensuring that you have expert guidance to navigate challenges and make informed decisions. The final key to success lies in taking swift and consistent action during the critical first 6 weeks. Just as regular gym attendance builds habits, diligently working on your drop servicing agency during this period propels you forward, increasing the likelihood of substantial and sustainable success in the online space. And there you have it, the comprehensive blueprint to propel you towards $10,000 a month online. If you found this guide valuable, and if you find yourself ready to embark on your journey to success, don't forget to pivot towards that like button. Subscribe to Pivot Online for more transformative insights, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop with our latest content. We appreciate you joining us today. Your commitment to success is the key to unlocking new heights. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next Pivot Online adventure. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, signing off online.